So people often ask me what is the best way to relax. I think one of the things that's easiest to forget about is to go out into nature, where you see unspeakable beauty around you all the time, especially if they want a little bit of bread or cookies or something. But I'm here in Zug, Switzerland, with my two friends. These are my students. And you're quite beautiful. Yes, you are. But simply coming out to a place like this changes your inner state, changes your internal state. Turning on the TV is not the same. Playing a video game is not the same. You come out here and it wakes up a part of you that is asleep most of the time. It's healing to the heart. It's healing to the mind. And we remember what the natural world is like.